Gettin jiggy with it. Gettin jiggy with it. Gettin jiggy with it.
All right. All right. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I really want to thank the Tesla team and the government officials that have been really helpful in making this happen. You guys achieved like an incredible outcome that I think hardly anyone expected. And here we are with this kick-ass factory, and it looks great. And there's still obviously going to be challenges ahead. That's the way it goes. But I'm very impressed with this kind of work, and if you can get this done, what else can we do?